I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a targeted folder before you begin. Once those are ready, press Start, type CMD, and select Run as administrator. That grants elevated access for system commands. Make sure to note the current directory with dir and change folders using CD. You'll start executing commands from the correct path, which prevents accidental file changes. If a UAC prompt appears, accept it so commands run with elevated privileges, and you avoid permission errors later. Once in the prompt, use CD to move between folders and dir or tree to inspect contents. That keeps you oriented. To check connectivity, run ipconfig for interface info, ping to test reachability, and netstat to view active connections. For file changes, copy, move, and del handle bulk operations, open a config in Notepad for quick edits. If you need elevated tasks, prefix commands in PowerShell or run an elevated CMD. Make sure to confirm file paths before destructive commands. To finish, close the session with exit and verify no background processes remain in Task Manager. When capturing results, redirect output with OR and filter with find or Finster to extract relevant lines. If you need a repeatable task, save it in A, bat file and run as administrator. If a command fails or you see access is denied, rerun the command prompt as administrator and confirm UAC settings. That fix resolves most permission-related errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.